friends! Welcome back. Let's make some stickers. I'm going to try two different ways, one a little harder than the other. First, let's look at this book called Sketch Your Sticker. It has a bunch of different shapes already pre-cut into sticker paper, and you can decorate them however you want. Some are really obvious, while others are not. I went through the book and sketched a couple of things out, getting some ideas for what I wanted to do. Then I cut them out of the book to make them easier to work with. First, I decorated a simple star with some alcohol markers. I outlined this with a black liner, but since the outlines printed on the sheet don't match up with the actual cuts, it can be a little hard to get it right. But once I peeled off the surrounding paper, I was able to go back over the edges to fix them. The next sticker is a rhino. Based on the shape of the sticker, I don't know what else it could be, but this tail area is very confusing to me. I did my best to make it work, but it does look a little strange. For this circle sticker, I wanted to try some watercolor for a blurry gradient background. After that dried, I used colored pencils to draw a rose. Because I couldn't really see the edges of the sticker, it's kind of off-center. For the last two stickers, I had a little inspiration. About a month and a half ago, I adopted a new dog from the Humane Society named Bella. She's still young and a bit crazy, and she has absolutely no manners whatsoever, but she's incredibly sweet and has the biggest, goofiest ears ever. So I decided to make a sticker of her. Her tail isn't nearly as fluffy as the sticker, and her face is a bit broader and less pointy, but otherwise I think it's really cute. The first new thing I bought Bella was this really cute rainbow collar. She doesn't actually wear it that often because she's an insane person and gets everything dirty, but I still think it's adorable and wanted to draw it. Here are the stickers finished. You could probably seal them in some way, but I'm going to leave them like this until I decide to use them. The second way we're going to make stickers is by hand. First, I sketched out my designs. Then I used some transfer paper to trace them onto marker paper, since that's what I'll be using to color them in. I chose a sea creature theme, mostly because I wanted to recreate this drawing that I saw with a goldfish drawn from the front. I used markers first to fill the whole sticker in, then I used colored pencils to add some shadows and blend it out. Since my goldfish is orange, I decided to make this pufferfish green, but he kind of looks like that snot monster from the Mucinex commercials. And last, we have a mercat. She doesn't really fit in with the rest, since she's not a real animal. I wanted to seal these and make them shiny like real stickers, so I used packing tape, but you could also use something like Mod Podge. Then I cut them out. To make them sticky, you could use double-sided tape, but I use this machine called Create a Sticker. You roll your paper through the machine and it applies an adhesive backing. I found out the hard way that some of the stickers were too wide, so I moved to the next machine up called the Creative Station. It does the exact same thing, but it's bigger, so I was able to fit 2 stickers across. What do you think? I had a lot of fun with these. Let me know in the comments what your favorite way is to make stickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.